All right, I had to make this video on this attachment I made for my excavator. It's probably one of the best add-ons that I've ever fabricated here on the farm. As you can see over here, I'm gonna connect a 2-inch hitch, just move around trailers around the property. So when I wanna pick up debris and move it, I don't really need a second hand on it. I just grab the claw on the excavator and I just start picking up piles of debris and just throwing it directly right into the actual trailer itself. So in this video, I'm not going to really talk much over here. I'm going to get moving on and just showing you guys the work that it does and just let the video explain for itself. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you think about these work-related videos where there's no real audio, there's no music, no special effects, just completely raw work on the farm.